Do you want to evolve Guts or the Berserker? So don't worry because I will show you how to evolve Guts or Berserker today. You can get Guts or Berserker from the banner. So after you obtain him, you will need to get him into 7,500 takedowns. And then go to play, head into this snowy kingdom, and play infinite runs until you get Eclipse Portals. And now that you have Eclipse Portals, play those Eclipse Portals. So in Eclipse Portals, you are grinding for the Eggs of Sacrifice or the Periapt of Sacrifice. This is the main material that you would grind for Guts to evolve him. The other materials are only star fruits that you can get from the challenges. So in total, you will need 50 of Eggs of Sacrifices or Periapt of Sacrifice to evolve Guts or Berserker, and one Eclipse Portal lasts until Wave 15. So in this portal, I suggest you bring air or hybrid units because there are air enemies, and lead units because there are regen enemies. And now after that grind until 50 periapt of sacrifice, you will need 12 normal star fruits, 3 blue star fruits, 5 red, 4 pink, 4 green, and 1 rainbow star fruit. So I suggest to get Guts and evolve him because he is the best bleed so far in the game and he is full AoE on his max upgrade. He can hit airs and bleed air units on his max upgrade. So on max upgrade, he deals 292k damage. Now let's try with Oshi buff, and now he deals 335,000 damage. And now let's do the Orwin Infinite buff. So with Orwin Infinite buff at 100%, he now deals 627,000 damage. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my Griffin in this match. If you have Griffin, I think he will deal around 800,000 damage. And that's the process of evolving Guts or Berserker. Happy grinding, guys!